Yeah. Stop, Rocco. Cyrus, is that your stool? Right here? What were you doing with this? What were you doing with that? Yeah?
Yes.
What do you do with that? You put in your room? Oh, need a break for a second? Ruff, ruff. Thank you. I'm just going to put it over here. Oh, Cyrus. We're going to have to clean your room again for the 3rd time today. Thank you. Mommy's going to put the stool back where it belongs, okay? Cyrus. Cyrus. Bye-bye. Cyrus, bye-byes. Bye-byes. Cyrus thinks bye-byes. No, Mommy's not really going bye-bye. I was telling you the stool is going bye-byes. Hey, that's Mommy's pants. Please, you're pulling my pants down. Stop it. A. Cyrus, A. B. L. M. A. B. P. Q. R. S. T. U. That's numbers. We're doing alphabets. A. W.